Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you are going to learn a new automation which will let you connect your Facebook lead ads with Google Meets application. So guys, here, as and when you collect any lead from Facebook lead ads, a meeting is going to be scheduled automatically via Google Meets application, and you can connect with your lead to nurture that lead and convert it into customer via Google Meets application. So here, as and when you collect the lead, the Google Meet meeting will be scheduled automatically and it will be reflected to you on your Google Calendar, and a mail also will be delivered to the same lead telling him or her that you have a meeting scheduled with this person. Okay, so you can set up this automation, guys, without any coding skills and programming knowledge very easily with the help of an application called as Pabbly Connect. So let's set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And after reaching here, you have to create a workflow of automation to set up this automation. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can provide any good name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Facebook lead ads to Google Meet automation. Okay, so you can give any name according to you. After filling the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this automation, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead captured from the Facebook lead ad, and the action would be to schedule a meeting with that same lead inside Google Meets application. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from here, you have to choose the application which is Facebook lead ads, select it. And in the trigger event, you have to select this new lead option. So it will trigger when a new lead is created. Then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so that will bring you to the login window of your Facebook if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in Facebook, it just got connected here like this. And guys, now you have to select the page on which you are running that lead ad. So guys, this is my Facebook page named as Pabbly Connect. Here I'm running the lead ad, and I have attached a lead ad form in this ad. Okay, so here you have to select the page first. So search for your page. My page is this, Pabbly Connect. And here I have attached a lead ad form inside this page called as connect integration, and I can show you that form also. So this is the form I have attached in the lead ads. The name of the form is Pabbly Connect integration. Let me show you, connect integration form. So select that. Okay, so guys, after selecting the lead ad form, you have to come back to your lead ad testing tool, and from here, guys, I'm going to click on this preview form, and we are going to fill the form on the behalf of any demo lead or test lead, and we are going to capture the test data here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so from here, from this lead ad testing tool, you can fill this form. So let me fill the form on the name as Arpit Sharma. This is the email address of this person and all the other details. Okay, now I'm clicking on next and submit the form. Okay, so you can submit this form like this. Okay, and as and when any of the lead is going to submit this form, we are going to, you can see here it is written, one of our team members will meet you on Google Meets, please check your email. The person is going to receive an email along with the meeting link. Okay, so first of all, let's capture the data of this test lead here. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and it will capture the leads data like this. You can see Arpit Sharma and all the details are captured here like this. Okay, so in real time it is going to happen like this. Now guys, to schedule a meeting in Google Meets application, we need to have a few things necessary. First thing is we need to have a start time of the meeting and end time of the meeting as well. Okay, so we are going to automate this meeting. We want to create a meeting automatically. So for that we need to have the time and day start time and end time. Okay, so we are going to use this created time label that we have received here, and in this label we have received the time at which we have captured the lead and the date, okay, in this format. So we are going to use this, and we are going to add some time in this which will act as the start time. Okay, for that what we can do, use this actions tab, and from here you have to select a feature by Pabbly which is called date time formatter. Search for date time formatter here, and in the action event use this option add/subtract time. Okay, then click on connect. Okay, now it is asking enter the date and the expressions and the formats. Okay, so here I am going to map this date and time that we have received in the first step. So I'm going to map this label here. So to map the label, just click here on this enter date field, and you will see this Facebook lead ads option in the drop down, and from here only you can map the label like this. And in the expressions, let's say I want to schedule a meeting with that lead 1 hour after when we capture the lead. Okay, so here I am going to put the expressions as plus 1 hour. Okay, you can read these instructions here. You have to put the time in this format. Okay, so I have to remove this space here. Right, now, so after putting the expression here as plus 1 hours, you have to select the format. So select the format as you have received here. You can see we have received the format as YYY MMDD and a T in between, and hours and minutes and seconds. Okay, so you will find this format here like this. Here it is, YYMMDD and a T in between. Select this one. Okay, and if here it is asking from format. Okay, so from format is this format, and it is asking to format. This means in which format you want to convert it. So keep the format as it is, as you have received this one. Okay, and now click on save and send test request, and you will receive the result label. And here you can see we have received the time as 8:48. Previously the time was 7:48, so we got a 1 hour added into this time, and it becomes 8:48. So this will act as the start time of our meeting. Okay, now we need end time also. For that, use this plus icon, and another action step will open up, and from here you can select date time formatter again. Use add subtract time option, click on connect, and now here it is asking enter the date. So guys, here we are going to enter this result label, and let's say we want to have a meeting of 30 minutes. So now I'll add 30 minutes more to this time, and that will act as the end time of the meeting. Okay, so I'm going to map this result label here in the enter date field. Just click here, and you will find these previous two steps in the drop down, and from the second step map this result label. And in the expressions, now you can put plus 30 and minutes. Okay, okay, put here like this. Select the format, which was the previous format only, which is this. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and now you can see it is showing 9 hours and 18 minutes. So we have added 30 minutes more to 8:48. Okay, so this will act as the end time. Okay, now finally you can schedule a meeting in Google Meets application. Just click on plus, and another action step will open up, and from here choose the action application now as Google Meet. Okay, here in the action event, select schedule a meeting option, click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Meet. And from this window, it will ask for the Google account by which you are accessing Google Meet application. Select that. Okay. And provide the additional access to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. Click on continue. Okay. The authorization is successful and we are now connected. So, and here it is asking the calendar's name. So you can select the calendar's name on which you can see the scheduled meetings. And here is my Google Calendar application. And here are this calendar created named as Pabbly Connect integrations. So I am selecting this calendar only from this list, Pabbly Connect integrations. And here it is asking about the summary of the meeting. So in the summary, you can put the summary as new integration discussion meet. Okay, so we are going to discuss about new type of integrations with our lead, and the description is this meeting is for discussing user requests on new integrations. Okay, you can put any description according to you. Okay, so this is a common description I am adding here for my leads, and here it is asking the start date and time, the end date and time. So we are going to use the previous steps where we have converted the time. So just click here and you will see these 3 previous steps, and from the second step where we have added 1 hour to the date time that we have received, we are going to map this result label to enter here the start time. For the end time, use the third step and map the end time. Attendees email. So guys, here we are going to send an email to the person whose data we have received from the lead at forms, and we are going to send the email telling him that you have a meeting scheduled with us. So you will find the attendees email from the first step, guys, where we have captured the data from Facebook lead ads. Here you can see we have this email. So I'm going to map this email label here in this field. Okay, so map the email label from the first step, and here it is. Okay, so request ID. So request ID, you should generate this ID for every new request. If an ID provided is the same for the previous request, the request is ignored. So if you want to provide the request ID, you can provide the ID here. For now, I'm leaving this blank. You can use this field also. Okay. Now you can check your connection with Google Meets application by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and you will see a new meeting scheduled here in this calendar. Okay. And guys, when you map the data like this, what will happen as and when you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad, these labels is going to change and a new meeting will be scheduled according to the labels in a new time and with a new person. Okay. So you have to map this data. This is an important thing. Let's check our connection. I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, this is the response we have received. Let us check in the calendar if we got the data. And here you can see Saturday 7th May, we got a new meeting scheduled at 2:18 p.m. Name of the meeting is New Integration Discussion Meet. This is the invitee. This is the description. This meeting is for discussing user requests on new integration. So these are the same things that I have mapped and entered here in Pabbly Connect, and this is how it is going to work. Let me show you how the email will appear of the attendee also. So guys, this is how the email will appear. You can see new integration discussion meet. This is the agenda. This is the date and the time. Okay, and you have been invited to the following event. Okay, so from here the lead can confirm about this meeting and attend the meeting as well. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. And guys, we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it is going to run automatically. After that, as and when you are going to receive any lead from the Facebook, the meeting will be scheduled and you can see that on your calendar. And the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.